Hi guys, I'm back with another video and I wanted to do a mini haul and show you guys some new products that I got. So the first products that I'm going to show you guys are the Juvias palettes that I have. I bought quite a bit of new ones. The first one is the Nomad palette right here, and it looks like this. Can't wait to do a look with this, especially for like summertime coming up. That's gonna be bomb. The next palette I got, which I also used for this look that I'm wearing now, is the Chocolates palette. Real pretty. And then I also got the Nudes, which I also used for this look as well. They're so pretty, look at that. So pretty. And then I have the Taupes. That's how they look. I also have the Melissa palette, Melissa times Juvias Place. I think this is real good for like on the go. It's real pretty. Look at that glitter. That glitter kind of reminds me a little bit of the glitter in the Amrezy palette. It's real pretty. Also, I got the Sweet Pinks. I can't wait to do some looks with this. And then I have the Mauves palette. And also I have the Violets by Juvias Place. Really pretty. This is my favorite color, is purple, and I had to get this one. And then I got the Berries. I got this one for Christmas, which is also really pretty. And also, I also picked up Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Pro Filler setting powder, and this comes like this. Comes in this, and it's in the color Honey, and it looks like this. And let me see if I can do this without spilling stuff. And it looks like that. Looks like that. Really nice. I like how it finishes. I'm wearing it right now. I like how it wears as well. What else did I get? Oh, I also got some lashes, and I bought this lash glue. It's kind of like an eyeliner. It's by Kiss, but it's a lash liner, and it makes me helps me real easy to put on my lashes. I got these lashes too. I've already worn them though, so that's why they're kind of dirty, but I got those. So I also bought these glitters. I bought them from off of Instagram. I'll link below where I got them from. I forgot the girl's name. And then I got this one. Real pretty. A purple color. So I want to play with some glitters. Here's the red one, so you can really see it. And you guys, don't mind my nails. They need to be done ASAP. And I got like a pink purple. So thank you guys for watching this video. Oh, I also want to show you guys the books that I picked up from Target. So I bought a new planner for the year, and I love this color. And it has like, you know, calendar, and then it has stuff where you could write and stuff. And then I also bought this notebook as well from Target, which I think is really pretty. How about that? Look how pretty it is. It's a journal. You know, I'm trying to manifest my life, my goals, you feel me? And then I also bought this book called the habit tracker. Man, this is really nice. So opens up, it says I can do this. Yes, I can do this. And then it has like things for you to write on here, like keywords, visions for the year, stuff like that. What else did it come in? Yeah, it has everything, like you can write down your habits and stuff, so you can keep goals throughout the year. And it also has some stickers in here too. Like it says, success is never final, failure is never fatal. It's really nice. And then it comes with stickers. Don't quit, persevere, don't give up, no excuses. I need that in my life because as you can tell with this channel, I'm not consistent. And my goal for this year is to be consistent and, you know, keep dropping these videos for you guys. So that's my mini haul from Juvias Place and a little mini Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video and want to see more videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, I will link it in the I will link it in the description below, so you guys can go watch that video. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, because you could have tuned in to somebody else's channel, but you tuned in to mine, and I am forever grateful. All right, bye guys. See you later.